Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2005 Toyota Kluger. This shape runs from the first month 2001 to the fourth month 2007. Stock number is 4521. This vehicle has a 3.3 petrol, 6-cylinder, 3MZ FE engine backed by an automatic transmission. Here we have the 3.3 petrol, 3MZ FE 6-cylinder engine. This vehicle has sustained front end damage, left hand front headlight, broken lugs, left hand front guard indicator type, insurance condition. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy rims, left hand front, no rash, average tyre, left hand electric non-indicator type mirror, left hand front door in insurance quality, left hand rear door once again in insurance quality, left hand rear 16-inch alloy rim with average tyre, left hand tail light in the body. The rear bar has sustained some damage. This vehicle is fitted with a factory Toyota 3.5 ton tow bar. Comes complete with the module, wiring harness. Here we have a complete insurance tailgate with wiper arm, right hand tail light, right hand rear 16-inch alloy rim with average tyre, right hand rear door in insurance quality, right hand front door in insurance quality, right hand front electric mirror non-indicator type, right hand front guard indicator type, right hand front 16-inch alloy rim with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with your standard grey cloth interior. Front seats both come with handrests. Center console, it's automatic. There's your passenger side sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, driver side sun visor. This vehicle has fitted CD player with tape player also. This vehicle has a 4-spoke grey vinyl steering wheel in okay condition. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.